Every trail and forest preserve tells a story, and behind every great outdoor experience, there's a team making it happen. From keeping our preserves safe, to maintaining the trails, to helping visitors make the most of their time in nature, our employees go the extra mile. They're the ones protecting, preserving, and enhancing your connection to the outdoors. Meet our Trailblazers.
My name is Sara Wittchen. I'm the real estate manager here at the Forest Preserve District of Will County, and I've been here just shy of 3 years. My role here at the Forest Preserve involves basically every facet of real estate. I work with our staff members on planning and reviewing adjacent projects, in addition to land acquisition, permitting, licensing. Basically anything that the Forest Preserve does has to come through our real estate department first. I chose to work at the Forest Preserve District because I was born and raised in Will County, and it gives me the opportunity to utilize all of that local knowledge that I have just being a resident, and then compiling that with my extensive real estate career while protecting some of the most precious real estate and landscapes we have in our area. I think the most important thing that I have realized since working with the district is just how efficient our organization is and how much our staff truly cares about what they do. I have not run into anybody that works for the Forest Preserve District that isn't here and in full support of the mission and values, and I think that's just so important. I mean, I didn't even know that this position existed. I knew that obviously someone was coordinating these projects and facilitating these acquisitions, but no idea the depth, the planning, the conversations that took place and how this position facilitated operations, marketing and communications, visitor services, land acquisition. I truly believe it's one of the only positions at the Forest Preserve that is deep in every other department. I am extremely thrilled to be a part of the capital improvement plan. I am someone who at my core believes that conservation and preservation is so important, and we are rapidly seeing open space and green space be sold, be developed. So being part of the CIP gives me an opportunity to put my name on a lasting legacy for the Forest Preserve. Some of these acquisitions have been larger than anything that we've previously done in the last, decade. So being part of the team that has seen this go from, introduction at board to actually closing our first properties under the CIP plan is an extremely rewarding feeling. We are constantly preserving and defending what little green space that we have here. And in addition, I think that the ability to manage conservation lands where so much development has been prevalent for the last 30 years is an extremely rare opportunity.